Hi, you guys, it's Mrs. Leus. This is your main idea and details review activity that you are doing at home. Okay, so what you'll see in your packet is you have three papers. This is all for passage one. On the back, you have passage two, and then the last page is passage three. I'm going to do passage one for you as an example, and then you'll do passage two and three on your own. So first, what you're going to do in the upper hand left-hand corner is you're going to read the passage. Have you ever stood beside a monster truck? If you have, you know just how massive these vehicles are. Monster trucks are typically about 11 feet tall and 12 feet wide. Although they have a body that looks like a huge pickup truck, they are actually more closely related to a four-wheel drive dune buggy. The front wheels are controlled by a steering wheel, while the back wheels are managed by a toggle switch. Monster trucks are equipped with harnesses, helmets, and head and neck restraints to keep the driver safe. All right, question one. What's the main idea of the passage? So we've been learning main idea and details. Remember, main idea is what is the author wanting you to know? What is this all about? If I could summarize this entire passage into one sentence, what would it be? Monster trucks are monster-sized. Driving a monster truck can be dangerous. Monster trucks are designed to have certain features, or many people are fascinated with monster trucks. Here's where it gets tricky. You could say that all of these sentences are true, but we're identifying main idea. Your main idea has to summarize what this was mostly about. So was it mostly about monster trucks being monster-sized? Let's go find out. At the beginning, they talk about how massive they are. They talk about the body of the truck and what it looks like. They talk about how the front wheels are controlled. And they talk about what harnesses, helmets, and head neck restraints it comes with. So yes, they mention that they're monster sized, but they didn't talk about the size the entire way through. So the answer is not A. Even though that was mentioned, that's not the main idea. Is it B? Driving a monster truck can be dangerous. They don't talk about the dangerous aspects of driving it. So no, B is not the answer. C. Monster trucks are designed to have certain features. I would agree that all the features of monster trucks are listed. They talk about what size they are. They talk about the body of the truck. They talk about the wheels and steering, and they talk about what it's equipped with. So I would say yes, that could be the answer. But we need to check D as well. Many people are fascinated with monster trucks. They do not discuss how many people are fascinated and why they're fascinated. So D is not the answer. The main idea, what this all was about, was the features listed in the passage about monster trucks. So our answer is C for main idea. Let's go to letter B. Which of the following would be the best title for a passage? So this directly relates to what the main idea was. The main idea was about the features of monster trucks. So which of these titles would give us that main idea? Safety First, Marvelous Monster Trucks, Not Pickup Trucks, or the features? Do you guys see which one it matches? It matches the main idea about features. So the answer is D. This would be an appropriate title, even though these titles seem relevant because they talk about how you might have an opinion that they're marvelous, but we're not talking about your opinions. We're talking about what was in the passage. They didn't go on and on about how marvelous they are. They didn't talk about the safety rules of a truck, so it can't be A or B. They do mention that they are not pickup trucks, but they mention how they're similar, but that's not what the entire passage was about. The entire passage was about the features of a monster truck, and that's how we identify appropriate titles for passages. The title should match the main idea. Let's go to part C. Which of the following detailed sentences best supports the main idea and could be added to the paragraph? So first of all, we need to read through these and make sure that it relates to what our main idea is. If we continued, if we were the author of this passage and added another sentence, we need to make sure that the main idea stays the same. We would need to make sure we're still talking about monster truck and certain features. So which one of these is a sentence that we could add to keep the idea the same? Dennis Anderson drives a truck? No. That's awesome to know, but it doesn't talk about the features of monster trucks. D, monster truck events are popular. This passage was not about events, so no, not D. C, drivers race them at truck shows. That's a fact, but that's not what this passage was about. The passage, again, was about features of the truck. B, trucks are equipped with 3 kill switches that will turn them off. That is a feature of a monster truck. So this could be added to our paragraph. So the answer is B. Okay, you guys, so now you're going to go do both passages. You have this one, which is about King Kong, Gravedigger, and Barefoot, all known well monster trucks. Make sure you follow the skills that I just taught. And then you have number 3, and this is about the invention of potato chips. So have fun. I will talk to you guys later, and please rewatch this video if you need help.